If your money doesn't have a job, it will find one. Nung nabasa ko tong quote na to, na-realize ko na oo nga no, pwede kong tingnan yung salary ko like an employee. Pwede ko siyang gawing staff na magtatrabaho para sa akin para ma-reach ko yung mga financial goals ko. And yun exactly yung ginawa ko. As soon as my salary hits my bank account, I make sure na every peso sa kanila merong task na kailangan gawin or may trabaho. First, a portion of it works hard para mapunta sa savings and investment. Next naman is para dun sa mga needs ko or non-negotiables katulad ng rent, food, transportation, and bills. Lastly is para dun sa mga wants ko. Yes, I still allocate budget para dun sa mga wants ko kasi ayoko i-deprive yung sarili ko. So I still make sure na meron akong budget in case gusto kong gumala, in case may coffee date ako with a friend, or may gusto akong bilhin online. And if you want my full payday routine na nakatulong sa akin from living paycheck to paycheck to spending more intentionally, I actually created a full video on my YouTube channel. You can watch it here. That's it for today. Ciao!